Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Conjunctions. সংযোজক অব্যয়. Prepared by M.D. Mohibullah, M.A. English, M.A. D.U. D.C.S.A. B.Sc. in C.S.E. What is conjunction? Conjunction. Definition. A conjunction is a part of speech that connects two or more words or clauses or sentences. Conjunctions are generally two types: cumulative or copulative, to subordinating. Cumulative or copulative conjunctions are and, both and. Shima and Rima are two sisters. Rice and curry is our staple food. We saw him playing and shouting with boys. Both and. Both Meena and Rina passed the examination. Both Lubna and Shima got scholarship. Both Hanif and Motin give up their education tender age. No less than. You are no less fit for the job than he. Salma is no less fit for the first than Meena. As well as the president as well as the secretary has come. Not only but also. He is not only a thief but also culprit. Mr. Rahman is not only a teacher but also a philosopher. 1.2 Alternative or disjunctive. Either or. Either Ruby or Baby did this work. Either Shumi or Ruthi said the fact. Neither ... nor. Neither Mini nor Tinni passed the exam. Or study hard or you will fail in the exam. Otherwise, pray to God, otherwise you will fail to have the heaven. 1.3 Adversative. But he is poor but honest, yet he is rich, yet he is unhappy. Still, he is rich, still he is unhappy. However, he behaves rudely with me, however I love him. Only use the machine, only take care that you do not break. Nevertheless, he did not study hard. Nevertheless, he passed the exam. On the contrary, he is an honest man. On the contrary, his son is a thief. I did not want to do any harm to you. On the contrary, I wanted to help you. While he was sleeping, I entered in his room. Whereas he is an honest, whereas his son is dishonest. 1.4 Elative. Therefore, he has starved for 3 days. Therefore, he has become weak. Consequently, they are living here for many days. Consequently, they know all of the matter of that place. For It has been raining for 3 days. For him, I can do everything. For her, he can sacrifice his life. As a result, folly. We worked hard. As a result, we passed in the examination. To subordinating. Time. Stay 2.1 time. Till. Wait till I return. Until. Wait here until I come back. Before. The patient died before the doctor had come. He has reached there before the rain. When? I will be present when you call me. While? Don't play while you are reading. Since. I have not seen him since he was 4. 2.2 Cause or reason. As I was ill, I could not attend the class. Because I could not attend the meeting because I was ill. Since I was ill, I couldn't attend the meeting. 2.3 Purpose. That we eat that we may live. So that we eat so that we may live. In order that we read, in order that we may be wise. Lest. Walk fast, lest you should miss the train. 2.4 Condition. If you come, I shall go. If you did it, you would shine. If I had done the work, I would have rewarded. Unless. He will not respect you unless you respect him. Whether or not. It does not matter whether you there or not. Provided. You can enter the room provided you are a student. We shall give him the job provided he is an MA. Part 2.5 Effect. So that he studied so that he passed in the first division. He is so weak that he cannot walk. 2.6 Comparison. Then this circle is bigger than that. That circle is smaller than this. As as. Meena is as intelligent as Reena or Panna. So as. Panna is not so tall as Hira. 2.7 Manner. As so. As you sow, so you reap. As you will work, so you get. According as. He will get according as he wants. 2.8 Concession or contrast. Though he is weak, he can walk fast. As you are as rich as he is. However rich he is unhappy. Introductory sense. 2.9 I know him, that he is a good man, is known to me. to maintain a position. The rumor that his son becomes a thief is false. 3. Correlative conjunction. As he ate as much as he could, he is as strong as a lion. So as he is not so strong as a lion. The same as. This is the same book as that. Both and. Both Rahim and Karim had done this. Either Karim or Rahim had done this. Neither Karim nor Rahim had done this. No sooner than. No sooner had we reached the station than the train started. The same then. This is the same book that I want. Such as he is not such a good man as we thought. Such that. Such was the danger that none of us could escape. Whether or no. I don't care whether you help me or not. Though he is rich, yet he is unhappy. Scarcely when. Scarcely had we reached the station when the train started. Hardly when. Hardly had we reached the station when the train started. Thank you for staying with us. Allah Hafiz.